Hey guys, want to quickly build your site with GoDaddy's website builder? In this video, I will show you a step-by-step how to activate the GoDaddy website builder and start creating your website instantly. So first start by logging into your GoDaddy account. On your dashboard, you will see My Product section. Click on it and look for the hosting or website builder plan you have purchased. If you already have a website builder plan, click the Manage button next to it. If not, you can start a free trial directly from the dashboard by selecting the GoDaddy website builder option. Click Start Building to launch the setup wizard. GoDaddy will ask for your business category and site name to help tailor the initial design. GoDaddy will automatically suggest templates based on your answers. You can customize the theme, colors, and font later. So just pick up a starting point for now. Once inside the website builder, you can easily edit text, images, pages, and layout using drag and drop tools. All changes save automatically as you go. Now, if your domain is already in GoDaddy, you can connect it with one click. If not, you can buy a new domain or transfer an existing one to GoDaddy. When you're ready, preview your website and click the Publish button to make it live. And you can continue editing anytime, even after the site is published. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.